Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi to all. How are you all? Today I am going to start the new topic about algorithm. Algorithm of problem solving. Now today topic is topic and structure of the lesson. In this chapter you will learn about problem solving, algorithm, pseudocode and also flowchart. Now if you have mastered this topic, you should be able to use the following term correctly in your assignments and exam. Program, pseudocode, algorithm and the flowchart. Now problem solving techniques. In this chapter you will learn about what problem solving is, the software development method of problem solving using computer, basic algorithm, control structure. Now, these are three basic control structure. First one is the sequence structure, second is the selection structure, and third one is the repetition structure. By the time you have completed this chapter, you will have acquired the ability to apply the software development method to solve problems, difference between the algorithm and the flowchart, knowing about the control structure. Now problem solving, you have to understand the problem. Now understanding the problem, what is known, unknown, what are the data, what are the conditions, is it possible to satisfy the condition, is the condition significant, determine the unknown, or is it significant or redundant, right? And also are contradictory. Draw a graph, introduce suitable notation, separate the various part of the condition. Can you write them down? Now problem solving. Second, find the connection between the data and the unknown. Auxiliary problem may be divorced if needed. You should obtain eventually a plan of the solution. Devising a plan. Have you seen it before, or you have seen the same problem, certainly different form? Do you know a related problem? Look at the unknown. Try to think similar problem having the same or the similar unknown. Split the problem into a smaller simple sub-problems. If you cannot solve the proposed problem, try to solve first some related problem, or solve more general problem or a special case of the problem, or solve the part of the problem. Now third one, carry out your plan. Carry out your plan of the solution. Check each step. Can you see clearly that step is correct? Can you prove that it is correct? Fourth one, examine the solution obtained. Looking back, can you check the result? Can you derive the result differently? Can you use the result or the method for some other problem? Now the software development method. Software development method consists of the following steps: requirement specification, analyze, design, implementation, testing and verification, and last one is the documentation. Algorithm problem solving. Now algorithm problem, any problem whose solution can be expressed is a set of the executable instruction. Algorithm, a well-defined computational procedure consisting of a set of instructions that takes some value or set of values as input and produce some value or a set of values as output. Now derived from the name of Muhammad al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician in the 9th century. Al-Khwarizmi algorithms in the Latin word algorithm. An algorithm is like a recipe that convert the ingredients into some culinary dish. The formal written version is a program. Algorithm program are software. The machine that run the program in the hardware is the hardware. Ingredient recipe are software, and cooking utensils means hardware, and algoing mean output. Okay, characteristics of the algorithm. Characteristics: each step the algorithm must be executed and described. It must terminate. It contains a finite number of steps, and it must be effective. Produce the correct output. It must be journal to solve every instant of the problem. Now, an algorithm is implemented in the some programming language. Program equal to algorithm plus data structures. Data structure refer to the types of the data used and have to data are organized in the program. And now algorithm is usually presented in the form of some pseudocode, which is a mixture of the English statements, some mathematical notations, and selecting keywords from a programming language. Subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. If you want to ask any type of questions related with this presentation, you can ask in the comments box. This is the part first of the algorithm. We make two more parts. Okay, an algorithm should emphasize what's and not to how. Consider the problem below. A problem: you are required to design a complete system which will be unable to sum of the two number be calculated. Now, to grapple with this problem, we have to understand the problem from the human perspectives. A question to ask yourself is this: how would you calculate the sum of two values? Now, problem solving is the computer is also a device similar to the way in which the human brain functions. The process of the calculating the sum of two values can also be easily performed by the computer. Now you can see this one human and then computer. Now this one input, now processing, and then output. Now just like that one, keyboard is the input, brain, CPU this one, and output. Now you can see input 5 and 10, processing plus this one, and the output this one, right? Now let's assume we are interested to calculate the sum of 5 and 10. As shown previously, the example values of 5 and 10 has been specified explicitly as the brain is flexible enough in the calculating a wide range of number. The two input values has to be generalized Now you can see value 1 and value 2. Now you will sum that one and give the answer. Now notice that instead of using a specific number, variables are used to represent the value. Now thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. This is the part first for the algorithm, pseudocode and flow charting. Now we will meet again. Subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, you can write on the comments. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care.